Welcome back, people. So today we're going to get a little bit of speed on this thing. I haven't really been any faster than 20. I've adjusted a few things, so no more tyre rub, gears change a bit smoother, brakes are a bit more respondent, but it's still got a bit of a squeak on the back. But other than that, we're ready to go. I've got 3 bars of battery. It does show no battery when it's under strain. So this is an electric bike conversion kit that I built myself. If you want to see how it's built, we made 8 videos of part 1, 2, 3 up to 8, the final build. And we got a playlist of e-bikes or electric scooters and e-bikes. You can always check that out, and on there you will see that I built this thing. So well, I've done a little bit of, I don't know what this is, slate maybe, stone, slate, I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty cool taking it off-road for the first time. We're going to get a bit of speed. This is not major off-road, this is just a little bit. Of course I am going to take it proper extreme off-road, but for now we're just doing a little bit of off-road because I know where a nice little bit of straight is. Oh, that's bumpy. I know where a nice bit of straight is. I want to open up this throttle a little bit more. Now I know we don't have a full battery, we have about half, but that's okay because I'm pretty sure we'll still have some awesome fun with it. I came this way again on the same bike, the LO26. I came this way, and that's why I decided to come back this way again, because I thought I wasn't planning on ever coming back this way, to be fair, but just because, well, just because there is a nice bit of off-road, there is a nice bit of straight, that's why I decided to come back this way. Yeah, what a ride so far. I've had a couple of little minors to do with brakes and gears, but nothing that major. Oh no, it's got a lock on it. You gotta be kidding me. It's got a lock on it. No way. Okay, well, not all bad, because I know there is another way out just up here. So we are back in Brighton again. Don't know why I keep making these videos in Brighton. I guess it's because there's quite a lot of trails. I should find another place though. What a beautiful day. Can't wait to open up this throttle. So we did a hill test as well. We got up the hill, no problem. I could have probably went a lot faster. I was only doing about between 10 to 15. Nothing that mad. Could have went faster, but I didn't, just because it was the first time of me using the bike. There we go. Okay, we'll walk around this bit. Probably could have rid up there, to be honest. Okay, perfect timing to get across the road. Okay, so if you never watched the other video of the sand bike, this is the way we came. And it's a nice long strip straight. I'm sorry for the wind. Hopefully the mic's tucked in correctly, it's not too loud, but it is extremely windy, that's for sure. feel like that back brake's completely gone now. I think I need more brake fluid in there. Yeah, when I let go of the throttle, obviously the battery bars go down to nothing. But I don't know how long it's lasting, but so far we've done all right. We've got an okay distance. Let's see what kind of speed this thing does. If I can get enough straight without people getting in the way. It's 23. I'm gonna have to slow down soon. There's a gate. It. I know the back brake's still working. That was 26. That's not bad. 26 miles an hour without pedaling. I'll increase the throttle slowly. I'll give it a little bit of a pedal as well, I think. That'll help us get that speed quicker. Really wish I could have got here without using the battery, but it's quite far. And I think the battery's on the low side. Definitely. Drop major voltage. Wattage, should I say. Still cruising nicely though. So when I let go of the throttle, it was 3 bars, and that shows 1. Which does sound about right in a way, because as I said, yeah, the battery is kind of low. I knew it wouldn't be a very, very good battery, to be honest, but it is what it is. So that's what I will do. Obviously, I was going to make this as a speed run test, which I'm not really able to do that now, so I will try it again. Obviously I'll recharge the battery and stuff. I wonder how many miles this battery will actually take me. Oh god, I'm fighting against the wind so bad. Alright, I'm gonna end the video there, I think, just because it's so windy. Unfortunately I couldn't get a speed test as quick as what I wanted, but nice little ride. It's working good, other than the battery's not its best, but really happy with it. Got any comments, leave in the comment section below, and of course I'll try and get back to you. If you've got any problems with electric bikes or scooters, leave that in the comments below as well. I'm not qualified as an electrician, but I've been working on electric bikes and scooters for a long time now, and know my way around them pretty decent. Worked on many, lost count how many. That wind is so strong, but yeah, nice little ride out. Shame it's quite windy, shame it's so hot. With a nice bike, 1000 watt motor, 48 volts, front and back disc brakes as hydraulic disc brakes that I did myself, and front suspension forks as well. Don't forget to subscribe, share the content if you are able to. It does help me grow as a content creator. I appreciate everyone who does do that. We'll catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I'm out.